Hello everyone. So we have question: a watch is sold for rupees 880 at a loss of 20%. For how much should it be sold to gain 10%? Options are: A rupees 1000, B rupees 1100, C rupees 1210, or D rupees 1400. So let's start to solve this question. So we have a sold price, means we have a selling price in the question. Selling price of rupees 880. This is selling price at a loss of 20%. These things are given in question. So we have to know firstly the cost price, because we find out the loss or the gain percentage on the cost price. So firstly we have to know the cost price. So let us say the cost price. Let cost price be X. So there is loss on SP 20%, so we have left with 80% of CP. So the cost price is cost price of 80%, means 80 by 100 is equals to RSP. SP means selling price. So put the values. So here we have X means cost price, 80 by 100, and SP is given in the question, that is rupees 880. So here we are going with X is equals to 880. 100 is going to right hand side, then it is become multiply by 80, and here after solving this we are getting X is equals to 1100, means 1100. So it is our CP, because we let the cost price X, so it's also our CP, that is 1100. So here we are with our cost price. It is not our answer, it is our cost price, on which we have to know the 100, the 10% gain. So after finding this CP, means cost price, come to the question, and the second point in the question, for how much should it be sold to gain 10%. So 10% of cost price, we have our CP, means cost price, that is 1100, and now plus 10% is equals to our SP, means new selling price, is equals to cost price plus 10% of gain means 10% of cost price. This is our new SP. This is our new SP. That is, we have to find in the question, and it would be हमारा, this would be our answer. So here we are going, SP means new SP. That is our final selling price. That is CP is equals to 1100, and 10% of CP means 10% of 1100. That is our 110. And now our selling price is equals to 1100 plus 110 means 1210, and it is our answer, which is our option number C. Option number C is our right answer. That is our right answer. That is 1210. So I hope you all are understand this type of questions. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.